inside just to walk right up to your door. But my body can't move when I finally get to it, just like 1,000 times before. Then without a word